Buhari don promise the Commonwealth say 2023 election go dey peaceful. President Muhammadu Buhari don congratulate Baroness Patricia Scotland for her reappointment as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth. Dis one dey come after dem don reappoint am for the head of Commonwealth meeting wey happen for Friday. Dis appointment na for another 2 years wey go helep balance her time for office. Patricia Scotland come tok say she believe say for the 2 years wey she get, she go take the Commonwealth to new heights, hold the values close and set good example for the world to see.
And I am determined that when the role of Secretary General rotates to Africa 2 years from now, I will hand on the baton with a stronger, more effective, more powerful Commonwealth than ever before. I have an unshakable belief that we can take our Commonwealth to new heights, to hold our values ever closer, and to set an example for the whole world.
Buhari come tok through im media adviser Femi Adesina say e believe under Patricia Scotland administration, the organisation go promote the values and aspirations wey go help support intervention for health, climate change, rule of law and democracy. Buhari come welcome the declarations wey e present for adoption, say the declaration dey very important to help promote international peace and security, sustainable economic growth, development and the rule of law, good governance, democracy, respect for human rights and gender equality. President Buhari come still wish the Secretary General a very successful tenure in office, come thank her for all the support she dey give Nigeria. He come promise the Commonwealth say im go see say the 2023 elections dey peaceful and ensure say no katakata go dey as e dey hand over give new government.
He was very much of the view that, she has acquitted herself extremely well up to now, and the desirability of, keeping her on.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News.